Now let's spend some time getting comfortable with different kinds of fractions and how they convert into different ratios, into different percentages. Now let's start with the number 1. Now the number 1 is obviously, I could divide and multiply it by 100, right? And we know that 1 upon 100 is the percentage symbol, right? So I could remove this part, right? Change this part 1 upon 100 into percentage, right? So we get this becomes equal to 100%. That means 100% equals the number 1, right? Now let's look at some of the other standard fractions and how they convert into percentages. Now 1 upon 10 is equal to 1 upon 10 multiplied by 1, right? And 1 is nothing but 100%. So we can write 100% into 1 by 10, which is equal to 10%. So 1 upon 10, the fraction 1 upon 10 equals 10%, right? Likewise, the number 2 upon 10, right, is nothing but 1 by 5, and it is equal to 20%, and so on. So 3 upon 10 is 30%, 4 upon 10 is 40%, and so on, right? So all of these numbers divided by 10, they follow the 10%, 20%, 30% percentage sequence. All right, now let's look at uh, division by, so we've seen 1 upon 10 and 2 upon 10 and so on. Now let's look at 1 by 4. Let's look at how 1 by 4 converts into a percentage. So 1 upon 4 equals 1 by 4 into 100%, right, which is equal to 25%. So 1/4, a quarter, is 25th part of 100, right? So it equals 25%. Likewise, 2 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2, right, equals 50%. 3 by 4 equals 75%, and so on. Now let's look at division by 3. So 1 by 3 equals 1 by 3 into 100%, and 1/3 of 100 is 33 1 by 3%, right? So we can state that 1 by 3 equals 33 1 by 3%, or 33 decimal 33333%, right? Similarly, 2 by 3 equals 2 by 3 times 100%, right, which is equal to 66 2 by 3%, or 66.666666%, right? Let's move on. Now let's look at division by 9. So 1 by 9 equals 1 by 9 into 100%, which gives us 11.111111%, right? Likewise, 2 by 9 will be 22.2222%. 3 by 9 we've already covered under 1 by 3, right, which is equal to 33.33%. Likewise, 4 by 9 will be 44.4444%. 5 by 9 will be 55.55%. 6 by 9 we know. 7 by 9 will be 77.777%, and 8 by 9 equals 88.8888%, right? Now division by 7. Now 1 by 7 equals 0.1428, right, which is equal to 14.28%. 2 by 7 equals 0.2856, right? So this becomes 28.56%. 3 by 7 is 0.4285, which becomes 42.85%. 4 by 7 equals 0.5713, right, which gives us 57.13%. 5 by 7 gives us 0.7142, which is equal to 71.42%. 6 by 7 is 0.8571, which gives us 85.71%, right? So all of these um, are 1 by 7, 2 by 7 and so on, expressed in the terms of percentages, right? Now let's look at fractions with 11 as denominator. Now 1 by 11 equals 0.09090909 and so on. So this becomes 9.09 repeated percent. 2 by 11 becomes 0.1818%, 1818. So this becomes 18.18 repeated percent. Likewise, 3 by 11 will be 27.27 repeated percent. 4 by 11 will be 36.36 repeated, right? So notice that this is the multiples of 0, 9 which keep getting repeated, right? So 5 by 11 is going to be 45.45. 5 by 11 is the fifth multiple of 9, 45.45%, and so on, right? So this is how by 11, any number by 11 works. Now there will be certain numbers which will be greater than 1. So far we have been looking at the percentages 0% to 100%, ranging from numbers 0 to 1, right? But what happens if a number is like this, 1.1? How do we express this in percentage? 1.1 equals 1.1 into 100%, because 100% equals 1, so this becomes 110%. So we notice that as the numbers go beyond 1, the amount of percentage, right, it goes beyond 100, right? So let's express the number 2 in terms of percent. So the number 2 in terms of percent is going to be 2 multiplied by 100%, which gives us 200%. So you notice that all the natural numbers, let's say 3 becomes 300%, right? 11, the number 11 will become 1100%, and so on, right? So any natural number will become, when expressed in percentage, will get two zeros suffixed to it and the percentage sign added.